Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So we are making this fine fabric with a top. So it's a crepe material and with the color. So I hope you people will enjoy this fine video for today. So please watch my video down to the end and subscribe and share it for others to see so that they too can learn and watch. So let's get started now. We start with our folding of our fabric now. So I will spread my fabric and fold it in 4 pieces like this. So after that, I'll go ahead now to start with my length, and the weight that I folded it is 10 inches. So then I will go ahead now to start from the upper part, that's from my shoulder side, and mark my length. My length is 24 inches, so that's my 24 inches for the length. And then after that, I will go ahead now to measure my shoulder. Shoulder is 15 inches on my tape, that is 7.5 inches. So that's my 15 inches, and then I will roll it like this. So after rolling it, I will also mark my chest line. So from my shoulder to my chest line, 8 inches. So on that line, that is where I will get my bust measurement. So then I will place it like this to mark my bust. My bust is 34 inches. So that is my, let me make it 36 inches. 33 inches, and add 1 inch on it for the sewing allowance, and then using my hand to curve it like this. That is for the armhole curve. And then also to slope my shoulder, no, before then let me mark my neckline. My neckline is 4 inches. I'm bringing it down by 3.5 inches like this. Give it a round curve for the neckline. And also for the back neckline, to bring it down, I'll go ahead now to mark 1.5 inches, also with round neck like this. And then we'll now come to our shoulder slope now and mark half inch. Then to slope it, so I will also slope it like this. So after that now, I will also place my tape like this from the shoulder to get my half length. My half length is 50 inches. On that half length line, that's where we get our waist measurement, and my waist measurement is 32 inches. So that's my 32 inches. That's 8 inches, and add my sewing allowance 1.5 inches. And then coming to the down part, that is the down. So I'll go ahead now to mark 38. My 38 is 9.5 inches, and just add half inch a little like this. Then we'll go ahead now to connect all the marks together. I hope you are following up. Mark it together like this, that to join it, and then I will cut it out. So our measurement is done. So go ahead now to cut it. So I will start from my neckline, the back neckline like this, and cut it like this. And after that, for the shoulder slope, I'm coming to the down part like this, cut. So please subscribe and watch this video, and also share it for others. Comment, please, and also have your fabric so that you too can also cut as well. So we've done with our cutting now, and then for the front neck line, so I will go ahead now to cut. So that is my front neckline like this, and cut it out. So after that now, the next step is just for us now to take it to the machine to go and sew. And we also have a cap sleeve on it. So this is our sleeve. It's a cap sleeve that we are making with it. So I'll go ahead now just to get my length. My length that I'm having here is 5.5 inches, and then just to cut it from here, because this is where you to start from the armhole area side, just to mark 2.5 inches and curve it like this. So what I have at this place is 6.5 inches. So that is just how to get our cap sleeve like this, and then I will cut it out. So let me cut it out now. So I folded it in two. So what I'm having here is the two sleeve. So I'll just cut like this. So we've cut out our two sleeve now. So this is the one on the sleeve and this is the second sleeve. So let me take it to the machine and fix it. But before then, we'll also show you how to join the bodies. I want to join my body part now. So I'm measuring my bust. So my bust is 36, remember? So this is our 36. What's remaining? Just 1, 2. That means 1 inch this way. Coming to this side of it, 1 inch. And as for the waist, 32 inches. So this is my 32 inches. So what remains is 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that is 3. So that is 1.5 this way. 1.5. And come to the down part. So I will also mark half inch this side because it's 38. So what we mark exactly is what we are marking again. So I will connect the lines together like this, and then go and join. So I will join the shoulder before joining the body. So I will take it to the machine to join now. I've joined my top now. So I will go ahead now to fix the sleeve. So I will fix it around the armhole like this. So let me do that now and take it to the machine to fix. That is for the sleeve. So I've gone to join my sleeve. So our top is ready to wear out now. Sorry for the voice. So this is how we came to achieve our top for today. So you can see this cap sleeve that we make on this top, and you can see how lovely the top is. So you can wear it out to anywhere. And please, if you don't understand this video, please watch this video again, and also subscribe, share it to friends, and watch my video down to the end. Comment on the comment section. I will see your comment and also reply back to you. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.